Good day, buddies! We are here at Barangay San Roque, Santo Tomas, Batangas, inside the Mango Grove. So ito pong unit ito is called Sierra Modified. This has a lot area of 150 square meter and a floor area of around 120 square meter. This is a single attached unit delivered in complete finish. So, kung ano pang nakikita niyo po here, ganito po ang ma-revisit po ninyo sa unit po na makukuha po ninyo. So, this particular unit has 4 bedrooms, 1 on the ground floor and 3 at the second floor. Again, this is complete finish na po. Tiled na po ang floors po natin. Painted walls and ceiling. Then, complete na po yung bathroom fixtures natin and tiled na rin po ang ating kitchen countertop with cabinetries. Here po, mga bro. Kikita po niyo dito yung 3 bedroom po natin sa second floor. So we have the second toilet and bath here at the second floor. And this will be your master's bedroom that has its own toilet and bath. So this Sierra model is an upgraded version of our previous Sierra model. So mas malaki na po ang balcony po niya. That means covered na po yung magiging parking space po ninyo. Hindi niyo na po kailangan magpalagay ng canopy. So we are located in a very secure and homey community. Magugustuhan niyo po yung project po natin here. So since this is a single attached unit, meron pa po kayong space po here sa side. Meron din po kayong extra space sa likod for future expansion. So kahit 3 car po ninyo, kasya po dito sa ating modified Sierra model.